What's up, fellow journeyers? On this week's journey, our giant RV gets stuck in the mud. We tow our RV through a rainstorm for 2 full days and share one of our favorite hidden gem campgrounds. Show why slides in an RV are nice, but they can be a pain. And we'll show you a few RVing hacks along the way. Getting stuck and RVing in the rain can be scary, but it's all part of the journey. It's time to let go and get going. So our event's over. It was an absolute blast, but one thing about the facility, we knew if it monsooned, it might be tough to get in or out of here, and it did. It monsooned the last 2 days. We got multiple people concerned they may not get other spots. Really, it's this area right here. We're in a pretty marshy situation with the rig here. So the plan is hook up, and we're gonna try to go straight back as far as we can. And then I'm hoping we can cut without getting stuck and come out somewhere. I'm gonna see where I end up. I'm not gonna estimate it. Plan B is we try to get over this curb, and I'm probably gonna have to have somebody like tow me over the curb, I bet. Really don't want that though. That's not good on the truck, on the rig, anything. We'll see how it goes. Oh, and we have full gray, we have full black, and full, not full fresh, maybe like a third fresh. So we're definitely heavier than we were when we got here too. Here's Stuck RV number 1. We knew the day could go like this, so here's what it is.
You thought you were gonna be the only.
Well, I just wanted to wait. I'm still gonna get stuck, but at least I'm not the first one.
Almost.
Why?
Started spinning.
Hey, you didn't dig it out too bad. That's good.
No, once I realized it was stuck,
I think it's where I'm gonna be at once mine starts spinning. He's only pulled off 1 bumper so far.
To be fair, it was a bad bumper.
He's Joe.
You have a good bumper though, right?
Rhino kinetic rope. Here we go. Oh yeah.
No big deal. I'll just pull all this stuff.
Yeah, this is a mess for sure. Look at this lake over here. Got the lake view.
Yeah, come back hard.
You think I should go forward and get a little bit more? Well, I was already spinning going forward though.
Very nice.
All right, here we go.
Go, go, go. Dang. I think that's just your hubcap. You're stopping at your, that's where you started at. Go forward as far as you can. That's way deep. I wonder if we could just go get some boards and just lay it in that track. Good power stance for digging.
Yeah. The Chacos, man. It's just that's what a real man would wear.
All about the Chacos.
I'm with Corey on the flip flops.
This
Chacos are a little too hippie for me. Dude, these traction mats, when we were in Mexico, his Viva spun the tires and no joke, shot this board straight down into the ground.
There's your board.
Like, it's crazy to think that entire board got shoved a foot underground.
Anything's gonna help.
All right, plan B. Or phase 2 of plan 1, however you look at it.
Dang it.
Problem is, we take him straight out, he's hit. He's gonna hit his belly. He's not tall enough to go over that curve and not hit.
All right, you ready?
You're gonna spin the second.
Go, 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 go.
Try to pull forward a little bit.
Okay, plan C. we're gonna try to tow it out from the front. Because going backwards is not an option anymore. My jacks are literally like starting to rub the ground. It's dug so deep in back there. So we debated whether we go straight out over this curb or we try to turn everything. This is neither one's good. They're both bad options. So which one's not as bad? I think we opted to go straight. Stuart's gonna come over here, tow the truck over this. Then we're gonna create a second level for the RV so that when it drops, it won't drop as much. We're very heavy right now. I love showing RVs in precarious positions for some reason. Marissa, I don't think Marissa can watch. Oh goodness.
Okay. Hold on. Just the truck spun. Whoa, slow down.
We're gonna look at everything and I'm gonna put some blocks down.
That looked gnarly because you just yanked it sideways.
I mean, that was the only option. My new business venture, Thompson Recovery Services.
Oh wow, that one got buried in there.
Luckily enough, that's about as
Oh my gosh!
get right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Once his truck's on the pavement, we'll get this out of the way.
Yeah. Okay. That's good, that's good. Yeah. You look good. You're good. Keep going. Cut. You can cut it now. All right. I'm gonna move these blocks so we don't ram your stabilizers. First tire. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Oh man.
Who parked you there?
You can't even tell we're here. Oh man.
This is Nathan just whipping sideways. Man. Oh my word.
Less junk, more trenches.
Well, let's do more trenches.
That escalated quickly.
Well,
Yeah.
that went about.
Where's your stress level now?
When you still got to drive, 6 hours.
Yeah.
It's not a good way to start the day. We still got to dump and drop to Little Rock, but it's good. That was the worst part for sure. All right, we finally made it. It only took an hour and a half, but we're rolling.
Hey,
Here we go.
That's not bad.
So today is Hensley's birthday, and she requested Chipotle with friends, so it's up there. You can't see it. Yeah, that's Stuart. That's not Chipotle.
I also have stuff to return to there. So.
We do. It's like a twofer.
Yeah, I'm getting a twofer. You should look. You want to see inside my rig? It's actually quite funny.
I'm always up for funny.
And when I say funny, it's not. Like,
You're not gonna film.
oh,
Yeah, we are.
We're gonna
We are.
film it.
How embarrassing!
Don't let it fall and hit you. But look. Like.
Look at all this stuff to return. Just that's a tomorrow problem.
This parking lot's not my first preference, but especially for, we have 3 rigs, so we're caravanning. Thompson's here in the Airstream, of course us. Then we got the Martins back here with the Brinkley. We're all heading toward Cookeville, Tennessee.
The PMS started beeping and our back tire's at 37%. So it could be nothing, but you always take that seriously. If that does happen, you definitely just want to slow down, get to the safest spot to check it out. So we're gonna get off at this exit and hopefully.
Good spot, not much traffic at least. No, it's fine. I don't know, I'm gonna put it back on and reset it, see what it does. It's fine though. Well, I reset it and it went back to 134, so I don't know, it's one of those days.
If we hadn't taken it seriously, it would have blown. It can definitely cause damage to your RV too. So it's one of those things. It's annoying, but when you need it, you need it.
So we were supposed to stay at that RV park down on the right down there. We actually did stay there on the way to Texas. It's a cool park. If you can stay there, this is what it looks like. It's really awesome.
One of our favorites.
So this is downtown Riverside RV Park in Little Rock, Arkansas. And nothing super special here. I think there's a dog park and maybe a laundry and some basic things. But this is what's awesome, because you don't get this at very many places. So as you turn around, look at this view. If you love water, and if you love bridges, and we love both, and if you love parking your RV right next to that, and the bonus, if you love the big city, this is really awesome, because for around 50 bucks a night, you can park your RV right here on the edge at a back-end site, and they have, I don't know, 10 to 12 of these sites right along this edge over here. Look at this view from inside of our RV. Like, we could be sitting here eating breakfast, doing dishes, hanging out at night. You get to watch the sunset out here, and the cool part, you get this view, but as the sun sets and as the sun goes down, bridges start to light up at night, and it is so awesome. Because the only thing cooler than bridges are bridges that light up. Actually, let me go another step. What also makes this really cool is what you can do on the other side of the bridges, and the fact that you can get to these bridges. So you can walk through this gate right here, go up the steps, and boom, you're on the bridge. It's pretty awesome. You're like in and around the downtown area. Eat, to hang out, to explore. There's like a really beautiful park over here you can walk around. There's a museum, I believe it's the Bill Clinton Museum over there you can hang out at. And you don't even have to like leave your home. Well, you have to leave your home. You don't have to like take your home with you. You don't have to take your truck with you. You just go.
Wow. So apparently we got out of our camp spot just in time, because Corey and Jesse for Finding Our Someday are sending us videos of what's going on back at the campground. Looks like it's downpouring, and that stream has become more of a river now? I don't know. Wow, that's a lot of rain.
We're still hitting some rain, but hopefully we're on pavement tonight or gravel. I haven't actually looked at this campground.
It's April. April cannot make up its mind. You never know what you're gonna get. I think we've outran hail, tornadoes, floods. What else in the last week? Oh, April.
Couple of quick overnight hacks. One, we stay hooked up when we can. Saves a ton of time. Two, we're here for one night. We got a lot of lithium and solar. It's a lot of rain today. I've got this short little 30 amp, and when I can, I just use this 30 amp. It's way faster to get my giant 50 amp and use the reel, the whole deal. And then three, I don't hook up the sewer hose. I wait until tomorrow. That way I hook it up and unhook it in like the same go. And those three things save us time. And we're just doing a quick overnight like this. Oh, and I've got this, so I can screw this straight into the RV, and then it'll go straight into my 30 amp.
Happy birthday to you.
All right.
Roll
this out.
And on this page right now. Shoot the ball.
That is not me. That is you.
Hazel, you just turned 10. This is not very mature for a 10-year-old.
And look.
So in case you missed it last week, our next LJMJ Huddle is coming up this fall. 3 nights, 4 days, October 28th through the 31st in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Ridge.
We would love to connect with you in person, which is what we absolutely love about these events. We also do some Q&As. We get to meet fellow RVers, just like-minded people. It's just amazing, all the bonding and friendships and even caravans that take place. It's just a beautiful thing. We would love to have you join us for this event. Head over to teamjourneyhuddle.com. Grab your ticket because this will sell out. We have 7 spots left, and we would love for you to have one of those spots. Can't wait to see you there.
Back to 2 days, RVing in the rain. It's just so wet. Coffee, Celsius, AirPods, keys, water. It's like on fire or something.
I would just pull over and get out. What's he doing?
I don't know. Here comes Memphis and Tennessee, guys. 3, 2, 1, Tennessee! For 7.5 years, we RV'd. We never really considered a Costco or Sam's Club membership. Well, we never went to Costco because everything's in bulk, and we're like, what are we gonna do with stuff in bulk for the RV? But we started buying Costco for our events, and we realized, wow, we actually really do like Costco. So we've made it a part of our travel stuff, and we just work around the bulk. But pro tip, if you have an RV, it's typically very difficult to park in a Costco parking lot. But if we see a Costco, and we know that there's something next to the Costco, which is what happened here, there's a mall next to it, we park in the mall and we walk over. So it worked out. Marissa's shopping, which is her thing, and we're eating, which is our thing. There's no spot.
There's nothing. It's all packed.
So another long drive day in the rain. I don't even know, 10, 12 hours, something like that by the time we like got it all done. But we're here. We made it to our home base, and I meant to film us pulling in, but we had a few issues with the ruts getting in here. 4-wheel drive though. I did get in, and that's not even the biggest issue we're dealing with as we're getting our RV set up over here.
It's nothing like coming in from a travel day to get set up and realize.
I have a question. What's your sign gonna say next?
Oh yeah, so I have a letter board that we hang up. The letters stay in this organizer here in this back cabinet, and I guess a big bump hit it and knocked it out. I've probably got 1,000 letters that fell under the slide. Obviously, we don't want them to rip our floor like we've had happen before. One tiny little toy put a huge rip in our floor in the past. I know this sounds so small, but I have probably 1,000 of these letters with tiny little rip magnets waiting to happen here. We're trying to lift the slide just a little to see if we can clear out all of the letters that have gone under the slide. Are you making me get rid of my letterboard now?
You got to downsize. Look at our size of our board. Why do we need 1,000 letters for that board?
Maybe I want a really lengthy, wordy.
You can only fit like 30 letters.
Califragilisticexpialidocious.
You think they look like they have a gap? You want me to go ahead and just put the slides out a little bit?
I mean, you can put out a little bit.
How do you say that?
That is 100% a crayon got.
A crayon?
It's called a crown.
No, it's not a crown. It's a crayon.
Can you?
You're both wrong.
Right in here?
It's a crayon. Crayon.
Crayon, or I've never heard.
Crayon. 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 Crayon.
Dude, I'm from Ohio. We
No.
How's that look?
still good.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Hardly anything.
Oh my goodness.
Here's
It's a crayon.
Regardless of what it's called,
It's
it just
a
made a mess of
crown.
your floor, so.
Are you showing under my slides? That's
Yeah,
like
it's
showing
clean.
Somebody's underwear drawer.
You got crowns in your underwear drawer?
Maybe.
But
It totally obliterated that crown. Look at that.
I don't want to be filmed. I don't want to be on your YouTube.
We've already shown you on the YouTubes. All right, here we go. Good?
Stewart's butt crack's not hanging out.
Eh.
yeah, a little bit more. Okay.
Are we okay?
Yeah, no, I don't see any tears.
Alright.
Inside, I mean, I think there's a little bit of dent right
That's the
there.
repair of it, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
But again, that will.
Yeah, you can see the dent, but that'll come out.
Yeah.
So after 2 long days in the rain, we're here. We got our slides out. We're set up, but we are exhausted. RVing is awesome, but that doesn't mean it's always easy. Taking this 2-day journey with you has been awesome. Until next video, we'll catch you guys later.